Today we have a kitchen demo in Drexel Hill, PA. Also going to be taking out a wall, some bathroom pieces, bathroom wall, another wall, a couple different things going on. So let's have a look. These cabinets here will all be getting removed. Everything in the middle gets removed. John can stay. This wall will be coming out completely up to this point here. To open this up, make it one big kitchen. And we have this old school bathroom here, which will also be getting some pieces removed from it. Wet bed floor. Whole bunch of hardwood to remove, which we already know that's going to be a pain. This closet will be coming out and being turned into more of a bathroom to make the bathroom bigger. The entire ceiling will come out in this room as well. And some more flooring comes out. Looks like somebody had a little accident on the drop cloth there. And then the bottom part of this wall here is going to come out. Upper wall remains. We're going to cut a ceiling trench in there. I guess homie had some coffee this morning and he was drawing his line. So yeah, that about wraps it up for the intro video. You're going to see John working here today, me, Chris, Burton, Dante will be back, Steve will be here. We got a big dumpster for this one because there's going to be a lot of shit. So, catch you back about halfway through, around lunchtime.
25 years.
2 o'clock, wrapping up this job here. Pretty sure it's done. Got the entire wood floor out. We got the bathroom floor demoed along with the intermediate wall that made it a closet on the other side. It is now going to be a full bathroom. This whole wall got removed. This wall was cut out to run electrical and plumbing through. Cut them a ceiling trench here to run their electric so they could put new lights in. Honestly, this is going to be a very big kitchen afterwards. He said close enough. Did find a couple issues, but nothing too terrible. Not bad. It's gonna be a big kitchen. All right, we're out of here. We're done for the day. All right, everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye! Yes, Bye now. Bye. Good time.